Jeff Farrell's on the Hot Homestead. I have another video for you. Check out this Tesmen Smart Digital Multimeter TM512. Nice handbook, multiple languages, nice old case, some leads, comes with some batteries. You take off this cover here to get to the batteries, but check this out, there's no dial and all that on this thing. Isn't that beautiful? So that guy right there, this is it, NCU. That's a non-contact, I guess that's NCV. That's non-contact voltage. So basically you press and hold it for a moment, it changes from auto to non-contact. And here's what I like about it. You can just simply go, right there it tells you that there's volts in there. Basically that's telling you that's a live wire. So I don't need to know that that's 120 volts or not, I just know that that's a live wire. So that's a cool thing to know. See, that's a live wire, and I got this hanging out right there. So now let's take some leads and let's hook up the leads, and you'll be able to take a look at DC volts, AC volts, and ohms. And that's why it's called a smart deal, is because it will do it for you. You don't have to dial, you don't have to change the dial on it. So let me show you some of that. So my batteries, my solar batteries are 7.1. That's because they're charging right now. These are 6-volt batteries, and that one's rating at 7.13 volts. And if you notice, it appeared right in that area there. And what that is this guy right here. Get you up close here. Make sure, where are you at? So this here means DC, that means AC. So it was marking it right there. So it was telling you that was DC volts. So now when I go to look at an AC current, then it's going to come over here. Let's see if we can do AC. Okay, so what I've done is I have gone to the non-contact voltage, and this guy here records as hot. So there's AC current in there. Whoops, I gotta take it out of this. Alright, so now I'll go back to auto. And then I just gotta make sure that let's see, plate, that's the negative, the other one, get it on there. So you can see that says 119.9. You also noticed that indicator was over here, which is the same as that one there. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it was on that guy there, which is that, and that says AC. So now I just have a piece of wire, and we're going to check the continuity. And again, I don't have to do anything when it's auto. Like the other ones, the dial ones, you got to turn the two different areas. And see, that tells you right away that there's continuity in there. And that's all you want to know. This way, if you're trying to find a wire from one end to another, whether it's in the wall or whatever, this is how you can tell. Put this on one end of the wall or wherever the wire comes out, and then this on the other end, you're like, okay, that's the same wire. That helps you find breaks in your wire. So like if you're doing like a trailer wiring or something like that, that's how you can find if there's a broken wire. And that's your continuity, which is this guy here. No, I'm sorry, that's that guy there. That's your continuity, that's the sound. That's what we just did. This one here, I don't have a way to do, I don't understand the ohms. so I'm not going to show you ohms. But basically, the ohms is just a resistance. So if you're looking for, you know, the ohms of something, then you do it the exact same way we've been doing it. You hold the button for on, for off. It's also kind of a nice feature though, is there's even a flashlight. And then there's also, you got the flashlight, but you also have the backlight. And that's just press it shorter. So if you're in a dark area, and that's probably what I should have been doing. I don't know, well actually maybe not, the glare may not help you. But it may help you find where that marker goes, if it's AC volts, DC volts, ohms, or the continuity. So what I love about this thing is you don't have dials, so I don't have to guess. Now there is some specifics as far as what the resistance it will measure and things like that. You know, just like every meter has parameters. But basically, you don't have to sit here and guess. Is it 6 volts, 5 volts, whatever, 20 volts? You don't even have to guess if it's DC or AC. All you gotta do is just touch it with your leads, and it will tell you. Now, the non-contact will only do AC. Thank you, Tesmen, for sending this to me. I love this item. I'll put a link down below, and so you can pick one up yourself. Jeff Fairs on the Hat Homestead. See you. Bye. Have fun.